Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to look at the ALEKS topic, finding the measures of an interior angle and an exterior angle of a regular polygon. So, remember an exterior angle is just the supplemental part of one of the interior angles. So we're going to find the interior angle first and then work our way to the exterior angle. So the reason we can go a little bit further than we could with our normal convex polygons, so we know they're regular polygons. And that is a very important word in geometry. It means all the sides are equal, okay, which means all of our angles are going to be equal. So they're equilateral and equiangular. So for this, we have a 12-gon or a 12-sided polygon. So we need to start by figuring out what is the sum of all of the angles and go from there. So we're going to use our formula, n minus 2 times 180 degrees equals the number of degrees in the whole thing. And in this case, we know that there are 12 sides, so that's our n value. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in here for that n. All right, so now that we have that, we can simply do 12 minus 2, which is a wonderful 10. Makes our multiplication quite a bit easier here. So because 10 times 180, I'm just going to add that 0, move the place values over, so 1,800 degrees. And here's where we have to go a little bit further. Previously, we would stop there because we're just trying to figure out the sum. But here, it's all 12 angles in our 12-gon are going to be equal. So to figure out what each one is, I'm going to take that number and divide by the number of sides, in this case 12, to figure out what each individual angle would be. So we have 1,800 divided by 12, and we get 150 degrees. So that is going to be our interior angle. Okay. Now, to get the exterior, remember they are supplemental, so you just have to figure out what do I add to this to get 180 degrees. You can either do that logically, or if you want to subtract, it's up to you, depending on what you're more comfortable with. So you could do 180 minus this and find that out. So you may not need to do that, and that's totally fine. But if you need to, it just looks like that. So we got 180 degrees minus 150 degrees to get 30 degrees, which is our exterior angle. Okay, and we're looking for both of those. Measure of each interior and each exterior. They're all going to be the same because it's regular. So interior is 150, exterior is 30.